All right, everyone. So I frequently talk about horrible things on this channel related to insects and other creepy crawlies, but I figured I'd start mentioning some of the cooler things in entomology. So it's now time for something wonderful. So this insect here is called the Picasso bug, and it is really cool and also really harmful. But there's a lot of there's a lot of insects out there, literally millions of species of insects, and most of them are not particularly interesting. They're, small brown moths, small gray beetles, a lot of ants that of no particular notice. But occasionally you'll come across something that just looks really cool. So this is a Picasso bug. It is found throughout tropical and subtropical Africa. And it is not a beetle. It is actually a pentatome, not a pentatome, but I'm sorry, a scutellariid, which is related to the pentatomids. For those of you who don't know what I'm talking about, pentatomids are stink bugs. And they kind of have the pentagon shape of a stink bug. Stink bugs generally have like this five-sided shape, and the scutellariids do as well. They're a fairly close relative. But the difference between them, I mean, there's several differences, but the big difference is that they have this, what looks to be a big beetle shell. It's not, this is a scutellum. It's a part of their back which is enlarged and covers their wings. And you can see the nubs of their wing here, right here on the side. But other than that, you might mistake this for a beetle. But it isn't. It's a scutellariid. It's a type of true bug. And they're just really neat. They're extremely colorful. Part of that is probably a warning system. They do emit a stink, like stink bugs, so you can very clearly see the five-sided shape here. They do release a pretty nasty smell like stink bugs, but they are also a pest in Africa. So they do feed on things like cotton and citrus and coffee and all of the things related to that. So they, as an adult, they have a fairly broad diet, but they're just so cool that it would be hard to be mad finding them. And here's a picture of its face. It still has a pattern on its face. It has this nice stripy pattern. But really, really neat. Maybe you've never seen this insect before, and I just wanted to show it to you guys. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Thanks.